Hello, I'm Ethan, and in this video I'm going to teach you intermediate F2L. This video is a follow-on from my beginner F2L video, which is up there, so make sure you can confidently solve an F2L case with that method before watching this video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your beginner F2L faster without learning lots of new algorithms. So let's get started. The first technique is the RU-R' insert. For this specific case, where the pieces end up paired up when you match the colours, you can insert them with RU-R', which is just a beginner version with some moves cancelled out. As always, you can mirror this algorithm to insert a pair into the left slot. Because you can insert these pieces immediately, this is actually a type of F2L pair, but it's just more difficult to recognise because the pieces aren't touching. So make sure you can recognise these pairs so you can insert them with RU-R'. Using beginner F2L, after getting both pieces into the top layer, you have to spend a lot of time matching the top colours and then pairing the pieces up. But instead, you can just separate the pieces, and then from here, you can always pair them up using only 4 moves. If the top colours of the pieces match, you can just pair them up using the beginner F2L method. If the corner has white on top, firstly do a U move to match the side colour of the edge with a centrepiece. With the slot in the front and the edge on the side, move the edge away, put the corner on top of it, and then bring the edge back, and that will always pair up the pieces. Finally, if the top colour of the corner piece is not white, but it's different to the edge, then pair them up by pretending that they match. But here, instead of moving the edge to the back, put it in the front instead. These pieces are now paired up, and you can insert them with the right-handed or left-handed version of the insert from the beginning of the video. So in this case, we use RU-R', or in this case, we would use L', U', L. There's also a shortcut for pairing up pieces when the edge is in the middle layer. Hold the edge in the front right slot, then put the corner above the edge. If the corner has white on the top, there are 2 options. If the colours match like this, do U', then do a sledgehammer, which is R', F, R, F', and that pairs up the pieces. If the colours do not match, just do U, R, U', R' twice, and that pairs up the pieces. If the corner does not have white on the top, there are also 2 options. Start by facing the white side of the corner, and then put the corner in the back with a U move. If the top of the corner matches the front of the edge, then hide the corner, put the edge in the back, and bring the corner back, and that pairs up the pieces. And if the top of the corner does not match the front of the edge, then hide the corner, put the edge in the front, and bring the corner back, which makes this a disconnected F2L pair to insert with one of the algorithms from before. There are also shortcuts for solving a pair where the corner is in the slot or when the pieces are touching, but they deserve their own video. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe by clicking the button down here. Thanks for watching.